Hi, ladies and gentlemen. ExtremeMopars.com is proud to present one of the best trucks out on the road today, brought to you by Dodge. It's a 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 Express Quad Cab. And this truck is absolutely one of the best trucks out on the road today. I mean, it has got the power, it's got the looks, the performance, handles great, and you're talking about a sweet ride. This truck is a sweet ride, no doubt about it. In this video, what I'm going to try to show you is the inside view of the truck, what the truck, the options that the truck came with, and on the second video I'm gonna test drive the truck and get out on the road and show you the performance side of the truck. So I'll show you we'll start with the inside here. First let me say the outside. And I got a paper here I'm going to be reading a little bit because I know I will forget it. The outside is the paint is a mineral gray metallic clear coat, which is I love the paint job. It's really nice. Okay, the inside, they call it a black diesel gray interior. Black diesel gray interior. It's got the 20-40 bench seats, and it's very comfortable. These seats are really comfortable. You got the headrest there, the armrest. I love an armrest. I just love the armrest. And this thing has got you can put 3 cups here. I hope I got this okay. And it's got the USB port, a 12-volt hook up there where you can put your, I guess, a phone or put your a lighter. Let me start at the door here. We got the power windows. This is the power window control panel here, and just does like most of them all do, just a standard. You can lock it where nobody can open anything let down any of the windows in the vehicle. This right here operates the little side mirrors. The side mirrors are also heated. They got the heated side mirrors. Let me try to step on them here. I'm going to try to give you a good shot of all the truck there. You got the Ram carpet. Let me see if I can get up in here. It is a little hard getting up in here. Very hard getting up in here. Okay. All right. I like how they did the inside. I think they designed the inside really great. I like how it's laid out. Got the glove compartment there. This is a little storage area. Got a storage area over there on the side here. This is also, they got a storage area. The key, that is a shot of the key. Some people don't like that key. They like the old style keys. It just fits right on in there. Let's see here. Okay. I'll give you a shot of the back here. I'm going to get out and open the back door and show you a little in the back. We got the the electric trailer control panel here also. Hope you can see that. And these, the air conditioner right here, you just simply rotate it to the right or left. Right or left. These just simply rotate. We got the cruise control right here. These buttons, you can find information out on the oil pressure, the oil temperature, the transmission temperature, how hot the car's running, how hot the truck's running, your gas mileage, and it's got several other things. It gives you information there on that panel. It's got the tilt steering wheel, and I can't show you with this camera on this other hand, but it's got the tilt steering wheel there. And alright, open the back door here. Same thing. These you just simply push down. It's one finger operation. Let the window down or up. Back here in the back, it's got the 2 cup holders here. There's a pretty good bit of room back here also. And the seats, they just simply pull it up, and you got your some storage area right there. You have you some storage area there. And the radio, it's also got 6 speakers in the truck. Got a notch back here in the back. Let me lift this down. Close that. Oh, I hope I didn't miss anything. Okay. Walk around the truck a little bit. Try to show you it's a 26-gallon gas tank on the truck. These wheels here are 20 inches, which was a option that the dealer decided to go with the 20-inch wheel. But I think they're really nice. The tailgate also is, you can control it by the remote control. It locks. You can lock the tailgate with the remote control, with the key, the remote control key. You got the dual exhaust, and I love how they did that. It's really nice. They got there's a little hole for water to let the water come out if any water gets in there. This is the 4-pin that's the 4-pin connector, and then you've got the 7-pin right there for the lights hookups if you decide to haul anything. Let's see. Okay, I believe I've just about covered everything on here. I like the emblems. They're really nice. They're large, stand out. You can see them. It's got the breakaway side mirrors. And also the halogen quad headlamps. Dodge has 5 different grills this year also. 5 different style grills that you can choose from. Which I like that grill. That's a nice grill. That's just about it. Like I said, the next video that I have on this truck, will be the performance side. I'm going to be out on the streets test driving it. It's very comfortable. It's a very comfortable ride. There's really almost no road noise in it at all. And I'll be showing you that part of the truck. I think Dodge really scored a home run with this truck. I really do. Okay, until next time, you can see more of this truck on www.extrememopars.com. I have more pics, more information on the truck. And like I said, wait, the next video should be coming out soon on the performance. And 2013 Ram 1500 Express with the quad cab. Until next time, bye.